Hi, and welcome to the digital job site where the lumber's straight, the weather's great, and there really is a board stretcher. This example is meant to expand on some of the concepts shown in the first digital job site post where we used components to create a digital lumberyard. Now we're going to use components to use the materials from the lumberyard to create a digital shed. To do that, I've chosen the rectangle tool here. I'm going to just drag a rectangle and then enter values on the keyboard, which show up in the value control box, and should give us a rectangle that is 12 feet, 16 feet by 12, which would be a good size for a shed. I'm going to do a couple tricks here. By double clicking here, it selects the face and its borders. If I click shift, it deselects the face and maintains a selection of this border. So for future purpose in this model, I'm going to copy that border and paste it. And you'll see where that shows up, comes in handy later. For the meantime, I've reselected this face and its border. I'm going to make it into a component, which is going to be called the subfloor. And by doing that, I've created a subfloor. Now, by double-clicking this, we enter into the Edit Component mode. And just so this works right, I'm going to reverse the faces, changes the color of this component, and then we're going to use the Push-Pull tool or the board stretcher to drag this up 3/4 of an inch, which will give us a rectangular box, 3/4 of an inch thick, 16 feet by 12 feet, which will represent a 3/4 inch plywood subfloor. And then I'm going to choose the materials list, and I can also get that by using this paint bucket tool. But in the material list, we've selected wood, and I'm going to go down here and grab this plywood with knots. I don't know where that green plywood came through, but we're going to edit the color of that and try to make it look a little bit more like plywood that we're all used to. That looks like a pale fir plywood there. And that'll work for now. That's how you go about doing that. So with these steps, we've created a component that's a plywood subfloor, which will be the base for our model.